Introducing the Tribit StormBox 2 speaker, a portable and powerful audio solution designed to elevate your listening experience. Unleash the power of 34 watts output and 360-degree surround sound with XBass audio technology. Experience two 48mm full-range drivers delivering a frequency response of 70 Hz 20 kHz. A compact powerhouse with Bluetooth connectivity, 24 hours battery life, and weighing just 1.27 pounds, this battery-powered device is a true companion. A versatile gadget with wireless connectivity, boasting Bluetooth 5.3 and an impressive 150 feet range. Seamlessly compatible across various devices. Elevate your audio experience with button control, XBass technology for deep bass, and seamless TWS pairing. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinion to guide your decision-making process. Elevate your audio experience with the Tribit StormBox 2 speaker, accompanied by a USB charging cable and user manual right out of the box. For further information,